Why do most traders fail? It's not because of the market. It's because they don't have a system. Emotional entries and impulsive decisions lead to inconsistent results. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TheSignaler, how to activate the free trial through the bot, and how to use it with TradingView. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. The first step, let's explain the website. I see that they have overall 1,500 members, which this builds me trust. And the first thing I see is they promote that I can trade with ease. So it looks like this is an AI-driven trading indicator, and it gives you the edge in the market of crypto stocks and forex. When you immediately pay, you get instant access, and it offers high precision signals. Okay, that's good. Now I see that they've been featured in many well-known magazines like Street Insider or Financial Content. And if you click on each image, it looks like it leads you to the article to read about them. So this builds credibility. Now let's go check their features. The first one is AI-powered trading signals. It looks like they have up to 90% accuracy in trend prediction. You can use it in multiple markets, as we've seen, crypto stocks, forex. And it gives real-time alerts, which is good because most indicators, they're not real-time. You can customize the notifications, and they have their results here. And then we can see some of the results here with cryptocurrencies, which is nice. And it looks like you can adjust the bot based on your needs. Real-time signals, premium Telegram channel, super funded EA, which gives you lifetime plan, daily setups and ideas, and a live 24/7 support. All right, now getting started, I see that they have an offer. Instead of paying $990 for a lifetime access, right now you can access it for $99 only. And it gives you access to the AI clustering, infinity dashboard, accurate signals, real-time signal alert, backtest access. This is very crucial. So you can see if this actually works on your own with data objectively, free future updates. So if they bring new financial markets for the indicator, you don't need to pay again. I like this. It is available on all time frames, all pairs, and instant access. And I like how confident they are that they don't even want you to pay the first 7 days. They give you a 7-day free trial, which I'm gonna show you how to activate it. And you get access on everything to test it for 7 days. And at the end, it offers you testimonials. Now, if you still have questions, they have their FAQs, which probably will answer all of your questions. And if you still are not sure, you can join their Telegram community and discuss with real people using the tool already. All right, let's assume now that you like it, you want to test it out for 7 days, anyway you have nothing to lose. How do you do it? Let's do it together. You go on Get Access, it will bring you on this step and click Start Free Trial. When you click on it, it will pop you up here. Now here, you can add your email address, your TradingView username. So if you don't have a TradingView account yet, you need to go and create a TradingView account. It's free, and then add your username here. And if you have a coupon, you add it on this step. Down on this video's description, you will find a coupon code for you. After you fill out the boxes, just click the 7-day free trial button. Try now. If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, stop trading based on guesswork. Introducing signalpeak.io, a trading signal platform focused on precision, not random entries. With SignalPeak, you get number 1, real-time trading signals. Number 2, clear entry, stop loss, and take profit levels. Number 3, structured market analysis. And number 4, channels tailored to different trading styles. Most importantly, discipline and proper risk management come first. Still unsure? They offer a free trial, so you can test the quality before you make any commitment. Don't chase the market, trade with structure. Trade with confidence. Try signalpeak.io today. Now let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so here we are on TradingView, and when you complete your order, you will come on TradingView. On the top left side, click indicators, go on invite only, and you will find the indicator, the script, TheSignaler.com right here. You click on it and it will pop up on your chart. Now I'm going to show you how to use this scanner. I want you to first go on daily time frame, and then I want you to make sure you use the Heikin Ashi candles. Now the reason we use Heikin Ashi instead of Japanese candles is because Heikin Ashis are more accurate with the signaler. And once you do this, you just look for these opportunities, the down arrow or the up arrow. Now a great tip here is you can click on this down arrow or up arrow, right click, add alert, and set up an alert. So whenever there is a new opportunity, you receive a notification on your phone, MacBook, iPad, or whatever you have. Make sure the trigger you choose once per bar and click create. So that way you immediately will receive a notification when a new opportunity exists. And you can see it's very easy to use. It gives you the entry, it gives you the stop loss, and it gives you the potential exits. So in this scenario, for example, you would receive an alert on 30th of January 2026. You would enter any position of 83,565.59 US dollars or above. So you would have around 24 hours to enter, and you would get the whole drop of Bitcoin of the last 7 to 8 days. Now we see that it is consolidating for the last one. Now we see this consolidating for the last 1 month, but you would have made some really impressive results up to take profit too. And for educational purposes, I want to show you that, for example, this setup would be so far 1 to 2 risk to reward. In the last about from 30th of January up to today, 1 month. So in as easy as that, you would have a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Of course, this is daily time frame. That's why it took so long to give the profits. If you go on lower time frames, it takes less time. Now, another tip I would suggest for you is to join also their Telegram, because in their Telegram channel, they give you updates whenever there is a new idea, whenever the idea you're already in gives take profit, so you stay up to date. So stop trading without the system. Start trading with confirmations, not speculation, and start the 7-day free trial of the Signaler today. Experience structured trading, trade smart, and stay disciplined. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel, and leave in the comments any questions you may have, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.